Hi, hello, how are you? My name is Nick, aka Loadedwombat, and I have some very exciting news for you regarding Twitch. Twitch has now added a whole alerts platform. Now, for so long, we've had to go through streamelements or we've had to go through streamlabs. Alongside that, Twitch has added some really cool features that really isn't available in other places. So what we're gonna do today is get just really a first look of the alert box widget. But if you guys have not subscribed to this channel yet, make sure you guys do that and like this video if it ends up helping you out. So let's take a look at this. So what I've done here is I've gotten to our, creator dashboard, and right here you'll see a new thing that says alerts. Okay, now if you look here, you have 10 different alert boxes that you can use. So that's 10 different browser sources that you'll be able to bring over to your OBS and put them in and have your alerts go off and all that good stuff. So first thing you'll do is hit create alert box. I've already created an alert box for us today called Swaggy Alerts, so let's check it out. Edit alerts. Now this is going to look like a lot when you first see it. Okay, it's going to look like a lot, but I'm going to try to explain this in the most simple and simplistic way. I'm going to make another video on this once I get done setting up all my alerts through Twitch. I'm going to be moving all my alerts into this because I think it's actually really well done. So the first thing that you see is on the left here, you've got variants. And so like your follows, your subscriptions, your get to subscriptions, cheering, raids, charity, hype trains, goals. Okay, so basically everything that gets registered through Twitch. Now you can edit multiple of these, so you can hit edit multiple and you can go boom, 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 and then you'll be able to do everything. It's almost like an apply all function or like apply to some function. Okay, so you've got follows here. You go down, you've got new variants. Now it goes left to right, so everything that you need to edit, whatever you're choosing to edit. So we've chosen follows to edit. Now we go over to the right side and we've got settings, we've got layout, how we want that alert to show up, all that kind of stuff, things that you're used to with other platforms. What we want it to say. We've also got text to speech as well. Visuals and sounds, so you can put all your already prepared alerts and all that kind of stuff. And then celebration is something that's new and it's different. So what this looks like, and again, this is just a first look. I haven't tested this out to see how well it works. But what this looks like is it will celebrate above your video or above your chat or both. So you can do everywhere, and I think the whole browser will be taken over. So the celebration will look something like this if you have it everywhere. It's actually going to go over your video and over the chat. So it might be much for some people. For me, I think for subs and stuff like that, it's actually a really, really cool function. And it's actually once you break it down going left to right, it's a pretty simple setup. It's just more of the time consuming side of it that will be putting your alerts in and all that kind of stuff. On the bottom right, you do have a browser source URL. You will copy that and put it in as a browser source on your OBS. There is one feature that I really, really want to show you, and that is for resubs. Now, if we scroll down on resubs here, we're going to see a spot that says viewers choose the image. Right now it's off, but if we click on this, it's going to send us over here. The viewers will not be able to choose between either different previewed GIFs or videos or ones that you put in. They can choose which alert they have when they resub. So all you'll do is enter those in here and then make sure these are on. And they can choose the sound and they can choose the image. Now, I'm going to be diving into alerts more this weekend when I put all of my alerts in this. If you're watching this later on, there'll be another video just kind of going more in depth about some of the things that I realized. Some of the things that I did are best practices to use for this. But for now, this is an overview. Hopefully you guys are really excited about this feature. I'm really stoked. I didn't even know this was coming out. So I can't wait to dive into it and give my viewers more value for their subscriptions or for their bits or all that kind of stuff. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. My name is Nick, aka Loadedwombat. I'm live over on Twitch Monday through Friday at 10 a.m. Pacific time. I'm in the trenches with you guys, streaming, creating, and building the community. Don't be afraid to come over and say hi. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!